Hello, welcome to Totally Random. So I have a Eagle lock here. It's a US ex-military lock. It's locked up at the moment. I have a key for it. And I'm just going to try and get into it quickly before this tension wrench gets any more. Just give it a bit of a readjustment there. So before I'm going to give this a little bit of a go. Yeah, popped open just like that. Ta-da! So now I can ramble on about it rather than go, what am I going to do? Is it going to open? So there you can see it's picked. I don't believe it's got any security pins in it, judging by the way it's zipped open so easily. You can see in here, I can't actually get to operate with the key, but there's a little lever, so that's what locks in with the pull there inside the shackle. Tight little lock. Ex-military fellow gave it to me, so the benefits of helping clean up a garage, I suppose. So yeah, key retaining, key won't come out, but to get it out we pull it out. If I can get some zoom, focus you. You notice there's a small notch. Part of the bow or the head of the key fits in there, and that's why it will only move so far. Nonetheless, interesting little keepsake. Totally random. Thanks for watching. Keep it legal and happy picking.